Yo, Brendan, where they?
Yo, my general, I know some day my boss. My day I wait for a pick up for go my yard, and my general. Where they pon?
Yo, me just get released out of dirty jail cell, you know. So yo, make sure say my thing reach back by my hands before me reach pan it, you know. Remember, say me know which part your mother live, you know. I mean, don't want you go on like you want try my feet, you know. Just test me. Test me, you feel like say I draw me a make one. Make sure say my thing reach back on the ends before me reach there. And guess what? Me soon reach.
Jano star, my general, at this I make the thing reach again, my boss. Yo, my general, me just get free up out of jail cell to my star. Me literally sit down in front of a police station. I bust up a wait for my girl to come pick me up, star. Me just a jump out and a year thing make me even up behind the scene of my boss. Jano star, my boss. Boss, may I beg you, please just give me a little time for reach home, fresh up and we'll make it reach, my general, please.
Me done chat to you, little boy, cause I notice from what you in somehow now go on like you want come size up with man thing, show man take it easy and murder somehow na woman. You hear me I say, man, make me thing reach me before me reach my yard and me done chat to you.
Alright, my general, no say 40 man, me da just jump on a taxi right now and go down on me yard and come get a deal with right away without delay, my boss. Please, may I beg you just give me a little bit more time. Please, my general. John no star the general, him up on my star, coming like the man come out of jail and I move corrupt more than ever. Can't make nothing at all the mama the star. John no star, I don't know what this me get all myself, you know, with them people here, you know, man, and I know so them man they are cool like ice, you know. Children, God. No, I call Rachel. Like Rachel just swing back around my mother yard and pick her up. Kira go somewhere or something star car. Kira food no John star. Draja card me no know what this me get on myself, you know.
Hey, Brandon, is that you sitting at the bus stop?
Yeah, babe, I'm sitting on the bus stop forward. Thanks for picking me up, Rachel. Much appreciated.
Yeah, hun, definitely. No problem at all. But why are you looking like that? All stressed out.
Rachel, a jail may I come from, so yeah, I got definitely look stressed. Plus, I have a whole heap of things for my mind right now, baby. So I don't want you to take no offense to how I look or even how I behave right now. Because it don't have nothing to do with you still. But just I go through a whole heap right now. I just want to get certain things in order. Furthermore, I just want to reach home, go back fresh, go back on the road, forget them papers to sign up. Because I don't know, say the work program thing will come up shortly. So I just want to have everything sorted out. Because I don't want to miss out on the opportunity. And just the stress at jail style, Rachel, I tell you, messed up my meds, but my good still, man. No worry, just drop my one, please.
Okay, Brandon, I definitely understand that. Just know I got you, and I'm here for you.
Why I can't wait to reach after chief for the meeting? I can't ever see a taxi I come right and why would the taxi them up on the road door head? Who with them full taxi man there? When you need a taxi, I can't even see one. The man called me and tell me if I come meet him up half a tree, so I never want too late for the first time. Boy God, thank you, Father God, thank you. Finally I got meet my father.
Hey Ashley, what's up? What's going on? Everything's going on good with you? I've not seen you for a minute now, Ashley. You good?
What go on, Uncle? Tell me everything all right? You good? My day I go up off a tree, go meet your friend, you know. The same man where you help me find my father. I go up off a tree, go meet him right now. So I eat my day I wait for one taxi to go up off a tree, to go link him. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I've seen better days, but, it is what it is. Remember to let Herbert know that I'm down here, and I would definitely love to see him again. Big him up for me. All right, Ashley?
Oh, you mean, Uncle Tom? We are talking about then, I must tell him about you, man. I can't forget that, Uncle Tom. Remember, you make my find my father and Uncle Tom. If I never for you, I'll know mood I just there, just a linger. And because I you me find him, me have to remember you, Uncle Tom. Me have to remember you. Good God, man, Uncle Tom, man. Very respect you, know. Me love you. Trust me, Uncle Tom. Me love you like my own uncle for really, 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 real. Me love you.
That's so sweet of you, Ashley. I really do appreciate what you said, but hurry on up. Get to halfway through in time. Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Taxi man, well on the, may I come, you got half a tree? No, sir. You again? Coming like my salt. Every time I go up on the road, it come like a one taxi alone run in this community.
Yes, man, me I go half a tree. In fact, anywhere I go, this me I go. Come in a car.
Are you alone, me always? I see it feel like a mix-up cell. I can't stand this like a mix-up taxi man. Cho, drive man.
But Koya, when see me there in Shayal, when see me I go about my business and this woman a fan me down a ball, but if me I go half a tree, stop and pick her up and a disrespect.
Who are disrespect you, Gabby? Who are disrespect you? I shoot me attack, you mix up bad for your man. You mix up.
Them say liberty come through carelessness really, you know, because look where all me good cabby come to right and now make this little dirty butterfoot girl Ashley come and rank with me. Ashley, don't make me start. Hey, Ashley, you see how me I want you, Ashley? You see how me I want you? Uno I put no problem and put no business pan light pole for everybody see it, you know. Me never trouble no now, you know. Uno put no business out there. And then when people talk on a clean to say people mix up. I me did tell if you left Brandon and go there with him best friend BaddaDan. I me did tell you like a dry foot friend Pink if you go breed for your man BaddaDan. I me do girl, leave me alone.
We are really just say a while ago nasty cabby. We are really just say a while ago Pinky a breed for whoa. What you just say? Cabby, I really that to make him out a cabby? Something really go so?
Da da dee, da da da, da da dee, da da da.
So what you can't talk again? Or you do there both? Me ask you a question then something really go so?
Say there now, you just say how much me mix up, you know. I know you come and ask me a question. Me mix up, man. Just remember that me mix up. So nobody ask me nothing.
Just let me out as a cabby. Let me out. Let me out of your car, cabby. Let me out. And hey, you see that girl, the Pinky? You see, anytime you hold a girl Pinky, the man, you watch. Cabby, you're not easy still, you know? You're not easy, but watch me and that girl, the Pinky, man. Watch me and her.
Oh, the cross is actually give me my fear. Give me my fear. About I feel like say I come out of this carrier and I pay me. Pay me my money, please. Pay me. To all your hype and love go on. Give me my money.
So I really $150 you go and suffer, Kelly. I really $150 you go and suffer.
Yes, actually, $150 me I go and suffer because I'm my $150. You forget to me mix up? You're not afraid me got tell people say you owe me $150. Just pay me, please. Pay me. Pay me and go along with your business.
Well, you have to go tell everybody my business and cuss and class meaner because me not have it. My father, me I come up as I come me. I mean, know him I give me a thing, so if I can't wait till me I come back down, I will call you and pay you in full everything.
You see it on a hype and rank, no puss foot and broke like buckle. But Kuya too. Both you got meet father. Which father that? What? You have one sugar daddy uptown? Make sure say you call me if you come pick you up when time you go do what you do and collect a little piece of money and pay me in full when time I carry you down.
Good up bright boy sugar daddy. Go on here.
Wah, go on tuggy me general. Go on my boss. Why me not lifestyle. I love you like a father in my general. And you put the first 100,000 in my hand one day when time I go match that work staying on my boss. Yo, remember me telling my general, you think tough. I'm just glad say one better than the even two day again and you are run the gun, you know. Cause you are youth who believes a little youth like me if you eat, you see it. So yo, yeah general my boss. We love you.
Why Pandy me love your part, that's a brother. That can't work. Nobody love me, brother. Love your girl. But big up on yourself still, man. I who know how the real bad Juvis them right and now we are come up in our thing, you know. So we have to coach, you know, well, train, you know, well, and make sure we say we show on love, you see it. Cause one thing me believe in still as a general pan the ends right and now, you know, if you don't feed the dogs, them are go bite. So no worry yourself, man. Whole eat more 100,000 I got drop in a hand, man. Make sure you say you're not gonna dance and go fly, so that, you know. Make sure you say you take care of your yard and make sure you say you move it good. You see it?
Yeah, man, my general, man, I'll say, man. But yo, my general, how I go on with BaddaDan? I'm still down, so? I'm still down a dirty?
Yeah, man, him still down there, and I look like him I got down there for a minute still over there when time we go mash the works. I say my piece of food go give him still for make sure say him good. Cause you don't know still, you know, when all is said and done still, you know. I still BaddaDan, you see me I say? So, we love and respect him same way, but you don't know. Can't rule under fame regime too long because the man that just believe say youth mustn't get nothing. I mean, I depend that me there say I hustle too hard and I work too hard and I run all I risk them and I do everything where man say I mean I have nothing at all for sure. The little time the man there jail, yo, alone kicks me a buy for myself. Fix up my place, make sure some woman and pick me them good away I say man. And me I go start control the grounds. Straight as of now. And remember me tell you about Juvi. Every youth round me have to eat.
Oh, you just say a while ago, Tuggy. Your woman and pitney them. Me never know say I have youth.
No, you know about Juvi, you know, so me not a biological youth for myself still. But the little catty bee when me I deal with, she have two youth and I don't know the whole saying say, you know. From you want the cow and the cow come with coffee off and just take the whole thing and just know say, I hear me and just saw the ships go. So, yeah, man, I just right to say them, man.
Yeah, me understand the shop still, man, but a dog of your age is no puppy, no Tuggy. No disrespect to you, and I'm a general, but come like, yeah, a man getting up tree and I produce enough fruit. Up on a big man level still, you fear run off a ground, man. So, what you say? Make we devise a plan, man, because sooner or later, BaddaDan I got drop back a road, you know. Make we devise a plan, man, so as in drop back a road. Me personally would have got lick him my fear my boss. Remember me tell you that, man. Me personally would have got do the dirt for you. Just say the word and BaddaDan Mara fly like a bird.
Yeah, I hear you about Juvi, but yo, yeah, jump the gun a little bit, man. You have to start from the little bat, then before you can flick a big bat like BaddaDan. But you see it, BaddaDan I know why easy brother in a youth. Remember me tell you that, you know. And but I feel like say I know like a pram push now and a little easy walk over BaddaDan that, you know. Or you feel like you can get to reach your spot you reach. You feel say a church the man that broke for reach your spot him reach. But Juvi just easy man and just go on. Hold the meds. Make me deal with certain things, man. And bother worry your head about certain things as a like a juvenile, I see it. So just understand, so yo, on the onion, nor scallion, nor pepper, I just tie my master. Is it? So I go on for the World Cup. Yeah, watch you match them. Which team you bring?
You know, a real match I thought though, my general. But a Brazil may I bring still. Brazil may I bring. You don't know the big bad team, Brazil.
Brazil I bring. And Brazil a team youth. Where Brazil I go already in the World Cup right now. You better you did say France still, cause would have more understand if you did say France. Argentina, my side brother. Argentina straight one Lionel Messi on the app. You know, say how the man mash up the place for the year. How we are so bad Juvi man and Messi are the general.
Yo, Tuggy, what go on? Yo, man and man pan the ends, what I go on with? The little idiot police boy, them have to frame me up in the idea, and I don't know man thing set, man lie, tough, you know, man. I want Peter champagne pan them, you know, you see it. So Peter just put on the pressure and them have to free up, man, because you don't know, so no witness can come a court pan bad man thing, you know. I say things set, man, yo, BaddaDan back in a place.
Blouse and skirt, my general, I go on, my boss. You know, say a while ago, me and the bad Juvi just sit down there, say all a positive reason both of them, my G. We are say how when them police boy they go free up the general to come back from the block. Yo, Jano star come like I just Jarrex, yo bad Juvi. I get the general Glock. You see it? So the man can have that well locked and intact. You see it, bad Juvi? I deal with that right now and forward back pan it. Make sure say general get him thing well clean up and fully loaded too. You hear, man?
Yeah, man, my general, man, how we ask the man, me a forward for your general strap right, how we on forward back, man.
So I go on the general, the girl Pinky did make that piece about her they reach him, G.
Yeah, man, you know, say the big idiot girl Pinky did come circle me run pon the block the door and I go on with that bag of thing and me have to run it where I make sure, you know, say, yo, bring back the food, come gear, make you lock it off till my forward door, yo. She did bring it back, come gear. Make me know when I tug it.
No, you know, my general, I know, say, girl Pinky been a see her back from me carry the food go gear. I will go on the boss.
There you know, say big idiot girl, oh yes, girl Pinky come run pon the cell block, come link me and I talk about she breed and I talk about and me breed her. Me have to just run it way.
How you know, say, my general Pinky I do? What? How you know, say, my general Shedja?
Yeah, man, now that me I tell him, man, that's why me have to run it with Billy S, man, I make sure know, say, yo, move up and go run back the piece of food pan, tug it again, make him lock it off till my forward. So I go up, you never really see have it show. You know, say, come with that girl, where I'm a girl now, you have to tear off outside her face. So who the girl feel like to share and put?
No, my general, I know, so I not see back Pinky from that door, my boss. From a gear the food, so we let it be, me not see her back, but I'm glad she did forward down there come check you, so you know, so I did send the food for you differently.
Yeah, man, me know, say I send it for real, man, cause she forward with it still, you know, and make sure, you know, say, yo, ropes, you see it, cause you don't know, we can't get the food around on the cell block, they them now go allow it, them say I can't jump on, so me just make you pay for some food still, and chew me and it jump up, me just tell it, say, yo, run back the piece of food for you, but yo, I deal with that girl, man, I deal with that girl, that wicked, I make sure, you know, so you know, about that ramp with bad man thing, you see it.
Oh, you mean, man, my general, them little girl like can't come size up with them, my boss. Yeah, I general, you know, and what she feel like.
Sorry if it takes so long with general, I don't know, but I have to pull it down and clean it up and load it up and everything and make sure so you get the thing well proper in my boss. So you think I'm a boss.
You know, see a long time you for dead do about Juvi.
Me, my general, if it dead for what my boss, I want me do my boss, I want me do my boss, what me do.
Yo, Tuggy, move from side of that dead boy, you know, because you want me no want none of him blood splash and catch you, you know. So just move from side of him the film. Cause that boy come chat off him mouth about him ready for take my bat. But look pan liquor you about take bat. Hey boy bad Juvi. A dead you got dead in idea.
Yo, my general, I want to go on my boss. I want all of this for my general. All of this for my general. Talk to me, the general, man. Yo, general, calm down, general. Yo, general, none of this now for go on my boss. Please, me, I beg my boss. I want to go on.
Go on, my general, what? One thing I see if you ain't a boy tuggy, make me no slap all a shut all in a ear face too, you know. I chew me daddy and a year saying I have to support the boy bad Juvi, you know. And that alone I save you. That me I make you know. So yo, better you just lock off all your mouth and to say nothing at all to me, you know. Cause right, you know, me get dark and cross and I blood me one until I like you. And bad Juvi, I fear with me and a drink.
Blows and skirt higher. A shot that just fire in a higher. Yo, them one they sound like them canic in a higher. Sure no star that sound close like a next door that go on. But there I go look over the eye fence to see where I go on. Blows and skirt higher. He coming like BaddaDan murder bad Juvi over there. The eye just witness a murder higher. Jaja. Now the eye figure out a way how to capitalize on this bit of information in eye. The eye figure call the police empress and inform her about what go on. But the eye have benefit from that do eye. The eye go ask her upon a date eye. Yes I. So let the eye give her a call and see what she a call about you now. Yes I. But Rastaman, upon a serious note though. You really like the police empress, eh? Or is it that you're horny like the ram goat round the front of ya? Boy, it may be the two of them. Cause the eye horny for real still in the eye. But the eye also love the police empress. Yes, the eye would have wanted to have the experience for finally the on top of law, literally aya. Some of the eye call the police empress right now and give her this bit of information, yeah. Yes, aya.
Good afternoon. This is the police. How can I help you?
Jano aya, police empress is so nice, you know. And the rest of man this, you know, aya. Yes, You never know, so the eye would have get your number finally. You feel so the eye did like give up on you so easy, police empress. You know some do like find you by whatsoever means necessary. Or so the rest of man go to work, man. The rest of man have your number now, aya.
Rastaman, I wonder if you remember say the police station for the call. I don't mind number Rasta. This is for everybody. You just go up on your Google and you find the number and you call it just like that Rasta. I don't know what you thought about selling my Rasta, but you will get E for effort still. You will get E for effort.
I know you miss the Rasta man even a little bit still in a police empress, cause you see it every time you hear the Rasta man voice, it just light up your world aya. But police empress, you know say the I call for ask upon a date though police empress. Yes because the I have some valuable information for the I am aya. Yes Rasta, I know the I would have definitely want this bit of information. As long as the police empress can promise the eye that she not got bust on the eye still and make everybody know who give her the information. But the eye want to take you on a date still. So if the eye interested in the information, meet the eye up a Motor Baruka restaurant Rasta. So we can have a idle discussion over some idle stew aya. Yes
Me dear, where say Rasta man? You invite me out pan date for give me information. What kind of information you could have so worthy of me leaving my nice clean job to come sit down and yam fresh food with you? Where I talk about Rasta man? Come meet you where? For come near what? Rasta, me love salt bad. And from me mention Motor Baruka, me know see be a fresh fruit me have a gun yam. No Rasta. Not involve me in this one here.
Police empress, you sure you don't want this bit of information? Me can better say you're gonna need this one here in the police empress. You sure you don't want this bit of information?
Well on for me the Rasta man. Well on for me there a little bit. May I get a radio transmission here? Well on for me the little bit.
Police control from Specialized Operation Unit 1.
Go ahead, Specialized Operational Unit 1. Go ahead. Police control receiving.
Right control, we just got information that shots were fired in the vicinity of No Man's Land, right in the same community that BaddaDan control. Just informing you that we're on our way to that particular location. Safe receive.
Roger that, Specialized Operation Unit 1. Proceed, but please proceed with caution. I'll be sending you some backup right now.
Receive control, receive. Over and out.
Rasta man is still up on the phone here.
Yes, the eye is still here in a police empress, and that is exactly what the eye call you about. That very same crime that the police officer just call and report. The eye witness everything, Rasta. So the eye I could give you one single name that me know you will understand. And the name is BaddaDan. Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah. With friends like these, who needs enemies? Never saw it coming, not from you. We were closer than blood, yeah, I thought it was true. Shared every secret, every scar, every dream. Now I'm questioning what any of it means. You were family and all, but name. Now every memory soaked in shame. Swore you stand by me through anything. Didn't know betrayal friends like